quick update on a tense maritime clash in the West Philippine Sea. On August 11th, two Chinese vessels, a China Coast Guard cutter and a People's Liberation Army Navy destroyer, collided near Scarborough Shoal while pursuing the Philippine Coast Guard ship BRP Suluan, which was conducting a humanitarian mission to aid Filipino fishermen, the Washington Post. What went down? Video shared by the Philippine Coast Guard shows a high-speed chase where the Coast Guard cutter attempted risky maneuvers, ultimately ramming into the Navy destroyer. The cutter was left heavily damaged and rendered unseaworthy. The Washington Post. Reactions and aftermath. The Philippines condemned China's aggressive conduct and reasserted its right to protect fishermen in its exclusive economic zone. Meanwhile, the U.S. condemned the collision and briefly deployed 2 warships to the area, urging for a de-escalation. AP News. This incident highlights how dangerous gray zone tactics can escalate, even among vessels from the same country, and it underscores the growing geopolitical stakes over contested waters in the Indo-Pacific.